Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use Lovable.dev and what is Lovable.dev. So Lovable.dev is a website that you can make apps in, or websites with just no coding knowledge. So you can just input anything you want here and you will have your website or your app that you wish to develop. So we have a lot of examples here. So we have, let's say, this Tashi XP one. So this is a website, I mean an app someone wanted to make that replicates the Windows XP aesthetics for those who grew up with this, with this style of, operating system. So as you see here, it looks very nice and it's all made here on this chat right here. It's basically all made here by AI. So it's pretty cool that, like you don't need that much coding knowledge to make website like this, but a little bit of coding knowledge is preferable because you are making some code and stuff like that and you are adjusting, so you need to be a bit knowledgeable on the things you want to change, but that's okay. You can do some a little bit of research to do what you want. So right here I made a calculator right here. I just simply said make me a simple calculator with a good background, and the design concept is here, the features for the first version, and the styling. So the styling here is a calculator, as you see here with hover. When you hover here, it highlights. This is one thing that you need to manually code, but the AI itself made it for me. So here is the code itself. So here it is. If you guys can understand code, you understand what this means. So this is our operation right here. This is how the code of the calculator begins. So we have our division, subtraction, addition, and stuff like that. That's our basic stuff. Then we have like the clear. Then we have the return variable and stuff like that. But yeah, it's very nice that we are provided with a code, so and it's really easy to understand to those who are familiar with coding. So let's test it out. So let's say 120 plus 120, that'll be 240, times 3, that would be 720. So I see here it's working perfectly and it's pretty cool. Plus this thing is on public if you want to share this. So if you want to share your build here, you can share it online or learn LinkedIn and stuff like that. And you can also find job here. So here in careers, you can find open position here. So they have engineer, AI applied engineer. This can be remote, so you can work anywhere. But most of these are in London and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, this is how Lovable.dev works. There's also like a link into and Discord if you guys want, and you can also like customize your profile. I haven't customized my profile, but you can replace the background and stuff like that. Say name, location, link, account settings, and your billing if you want to subscribe to the higher tiers, which is pretty cool. And yeah, guys, that's how Lovable.dev works. If you guys like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.